I would like to extend my sincerest apologies for my absence and any inconvenience it may have caused. My intention was to respond much earlier than now. The truth is, I didn't know how to respond. I didn't know how long this was gonna take, and I lost sight of many things that was important to me. I deeply appreciate all individuals that has reached out to me through various channels. I assure you, I am well. I know I have been non-existent except for one place, Facebook. Prior to all of this, I had arranged and given access to a management team who operate independently, hence the reason the Facebook page was active. I encountered some personal challenges which led me to feel lost and disconnected from my true self. I've mostly been a private person, but I think it makes sense to provide some insight on what happened. My absence was due to an abrupt end in a 10-year relationship, which came as a surprise to me. It took me some time to accept and process this turn of event. It is always hard and devastating when kids are involved. It's been a long journey, and many issues still needs to be settled. During this time, I dealt with some strong emotions. It was a difficult phase where I felt confused, worried, and emotionally drained. That said, I focused on my mental health and taking decisive action, seeking therapy, and during that expedition, I discovered that I was dealing with trauma, PTSD, and anxiety, and that was a reality check for me. Part of working on myself was replacing old thoughts with renewed purpose and avoiding any activity that would hinder my growth. Despite my unexpected absence, it was a positive turning point, allowing me time to focus on restructuring my life. Currently, I'm in a positive state of mind, and I'm consistently reminding myself no matter what challenges I face, it could be worse. I intentionally stayed busy listening to audiobooks, uplifting music, exercising, doing physical tasks, and spending quality time with my daughter. Essentially, I was all in on focusing only on positive thoughts and the future. At the end of the day, I get it. Being away for so long can certainly leave a bad taste, and I hope you understand, but I'm determined to continue creating content, and I greatly appreciate your support. It's safe to say I'm back, and starting tomorrow, expect a new project video. Until then, thanks for watching.